Hi, my name is Celia Ridley, and I'm going to show you how to divide by one-digit numbers. And before I get started, here's one thing I learned from my teacher, Miss Cooper. Okay, D, M, S, C, B. Okay, D stands for does and divide. This does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers. And D stands for divide, M multiply, S subtract, C check, and B bring down. You're going to follow these steps as you divide here to get your question. Okay, 1,006 divided by 7. Okay, first you divide. We know 7 does not go into 1, so we either put an X or a 0. And you check divide off because you're going to follow these in order. Okay, then you're going to multiply 0 times 7, and 0 will be, the answer will be 0. Then you're going to subtract. I multiplied. Now you're going to subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. I've subtracted. Now I'm going to check, is 1 smaller than 7? Yes, it is. So we've checked. Now we're going to bring down that 0. Okay, we've broken down. Okay, now we go back all the way up to divide. 7 fits into 10 one time, so we're going to put that over that 0. We've already divided. Now we're going to multiply. 7 times 1 equals 7. And then, so we've multiplied. Now we're going to subtract. 10 minus 7 equals 3. And you're going to check. And so we subtracted. Now you're going to check. Is 3 smaller than 7? Yes. So we've checked. Now we're going to bring down. And you also can write out like a little cheat sheet to see how many times 7 will fit into 30. So we bring down. Now we're going to start all over again. And that is a 0, just letting you know. So we can write a little cheat sheet over here. We know what 7 times 1 is, so we can go 7 times 2 is 14. Because a lot of you people do not know your 7 facts. So 7 times 2 is 14. So that we can go a little higher than that. 7 times 3 is 21. We can go up a little bit higher than that. 7 times 4 is 28. And you don't want to go 7 times 5 because that'll be 35. So make sure you go a little over than expected. 7 times 5 is 35. And 35 is more than 30, so you want to go back to 7 times 4 will be 28. So 7 fits into 36 4 times. 4, so we've divided. Now we're going to multiply. 4 times 7, you already know the answer because you wrote your little cheat sheet. 4 times 7 is 28. Now we've multiplied. Now we're going to subtract. You're going to change that 0 into a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. And you're going to take away 1, and that's going to be 2 and 0. Now you're going to bring, so we've subtracted, check, is 2 smaller than 7, yes. We've checked. Now, do we have anything left to bring down? Yes, we do. And we bring that 6 down. Okay, we've brought our 6 down. And we've checked. Now, we got to start all the way over again. So, we're going to divide. How many times does 7 fit into 26? We've already have our little cheat sheet over here. And 28, 4 will be too much now. So, 4 times 7 is 28, which will go over 26, so we have to use 7 times 3. It equals 21. And we already know the answer because we have our cheat sheet. So, we've divided. 3 times 7 is 21. We've multiplied. Now we're going to subtract. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And 2 minus 2 equals 0. We're going to check. We're going to subtract. Now we're going to check. Is 5 smaller than 7? Yes, it is. And since there's nothing else to bring down, that's where we're going to end. So you're going to put your X there. And whatever you have, that your ending answer will, down here, will be your remainder. You put R5. So your answer is going to be 143, remainder 5. And if you have a division, Excel or something, it might ask you to put, if you have a remainder, it means put an extra number, which means 144. Because you would not want to leave the remaining people out. Like if you had buses and you had 143 people, you would need 144 buses. You had a lot of people, you would need 144 buses. Because you wouldn't want to leave them 5 people out. Thank you for watching my video on 1-digit division.